I'm Van Alfred. I'm representing Chimweme Kapira, who has got a problem with network. So I'm doing it on his behalf. His work was to indicate how to create a working directory and how to create a log file. So to begin with, how to create a working directory, first of all, you need to have a folder. So in this case, that means I haven't created the folder, then I can just create as the way I'm doing here. Yeah, I'll write his name, Chimweme. Yeah, this one I'll write Chimweme 2. Then I'll save it like that. Then I'll go to an app of STATA 17 and I have to click on that and it will show like this. Then what I'll do, I'll go to this part of file and I'll click. Then afterwards, I'll go to the working directory here, then I'll click again. Then this box, dialog box, that is known as browser folders. I need to scroll. Have you seen Chimweme 2 is here? Then I have to click it. Then I have to make it okay. Then in this case, that means I've created the working directory. So if I'm working, that means some information will be going to this folder. Yeah, so that's the way you can create the working directory. Or in short, you can just write this, which is CD, like CD, then this one and this C, colon, slash, user, slash. Like this, then you press enter. You see, that means the short form of creating a directory. So you start with a CD, open, that is invested commas, then C colon, then slash, like the way it is, you can see. So you have got 2 ways on how you can create a working directory. But don't forget that, first of all, you need to have a folder which has been already created. So that's how you can create a working directory. Second is on how to create the log file. The same, you go at this point where there is a file and click. Then you go to log here and click begin. Yeah, like that. Then you choose the folder which you want. In my case, I'll use this one, Chimweme 1. Then I have to open it, then I have to save. In so doing, that means I've created the log file which I can use when I'm working. So that's all about the task which I was presenting on behalf of Chimweme Kapira.
My name is Christopher Chana. I'll take you through how to create a do file in a STATA and how to generate summary statistics in a STATA. So I'll start with how to create a do file in a STATA. Yeah, so firstly, I'll describe it. What is a do file? So a do file is a file where STATA commands are written, saved, and executed together. Yeah. So I'll start. Firstly, you open your STATA software. Yeah. So after you open your STATA software, secondly, you click where it is written window. Then you go down here where it has written do file editor. Then you open. So a white window will appears here like this, where you write your commands. So for example, I'll write my command here. Say after you write your commands, then you go here and on your when they say file, then you have to save. Most you have to save it in your desktop. Those say and save it. After saving, you go up here where they say execute. Then after executing, you go in your STATA and you see your data where it shows observations, mean, standard deviation, minimization, and maximization. So this is how you create your do file. Yeah. Yeah. Then secondly, I'll go with how to generate summary statistics in a STATA. So summary statistics describes the main features of a data set. So I'll start again you open your STATA software, and you proceed again on opening a window. Do file editor, then again, yeah. Here you write again your commands. Let's say like what I did when I was creating a do file. You say here you don't write it as a statement, no, but you have to write as it is, not like a statement. So after writing your commands, then you execute here. Yeah. Finally, your data will show here like this. So you can proceed and say summarize price detail, and again you execute, and finally it will easily show you your price details. Yeah, like percentages, small observations, mean, variance, yeah, and so forth. In other way, you can continue and say, as your data shows, there is price, weight, and yeah. So you can also say summarize weight, detail, and execute again. It will show you weight, details of weights. Yeah, and percentiles, smallest, largest, mean, standard deviation, variance, and so forth. So, yeah. Yeah, so that's all. So in a conclusion, I would say a do file helps organizing and executing commands efficiently, while small statistics provide a quick understanding of the data set. Yeah, I would say so. So finally, I'm done.